Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your bad internet and how to fix ping spikes, lag spikes, and how to fix that. And first, we're going to get straight into it. Create a restore point. You're going to go here, click create, and you can put any name you want. I already have one, so it's good for me. And that's just to make sure if anything goes wrong, you can always just go back. You don't want anything bad to happen to your PC. You don't want it to be unstable, so if that does happen, you should go back to your restore point. Then after that, you can go here. I'll put the link in the description, but download this file, Windows Network Pack.rar. Once you download it, it should be in your folder. You should extract it using WinRAR. I'll also leave a link for WinRAR in the description. So once you do that, you'll get this network pack right here. I already made backups using this, so that's why that happened. So you would go to batch tweaks. You're gonna just click on all of these. Clear DNS. No, see, I don't have Ethernet, so that's why. And then this. It's okay if it flashes, that means it worked. So don't worry about it. Click any key to continue. That should be done. I don't know why I closed that, but you can go to here. I think I already did that anyways. Then you go here, network throttling. And click yes. I already done all this, so I'm basically just adding stuff. Oh yeah, I didn't mean to do that. And what? Yeah, thank you. You're gonna run this as administrator right here. This allows you to change all settings inside of TCP Optimizer, so you can get the best settings possible. And boom. So you're gonna apply custom, and you can change your connection speed to whatever, like this all the way up. I just put it all the way up for no reason. Advanced settings, you're gonna copy everything on the right here. You're gonna put disabling or network throttling index disabled FFFFF or whatever. System responsiveness gaming 0. TP ACK frequency, you're gonna put that on disabled 1. TCP no delayed, you're gonna put that on enabled 1. TCP del attack ticks disabled 0. Large system cache default 0. Size default 1. Then after you put in those settings, you're gonna apply changes and create a backup. I already did that, so whatever. Then go ahead and restart your PC and you should be good to go. And that is how to fix your bad internet and ping spikes in games and all that input delay. So if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.